Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Fox Farms Nutrients is probably one of the most talked about and sought after nutrient lines in the gardening community, known for its ability to produce lush, vibrant plants and impressive yields, making it a go-to choice for both novice growers and seasoned horticulturalists looking to elevate their plants' health and productivity to the next level. Number 5. Humboldt's Secret Base A and B Liquid Fertilizer. Introducing a complete hydroponic nutrient solution designed for both indoor and outdoor plants. It provides essential elements to support healthy growth and flowering stages. This premium formula delivers a full spectrum of nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. It promotes steady development, vibrant leaves, and bold blooms for a variety of plants. Our easy two-part system eliminates complex schedules. Simply mix equal parts with every watering for better absorption and stronger plants in any setup. These nutrients are built for results in various systems like deep water culture, aquaponics, pots, and raised beds. They are trusted by growers for reliable performance. Experience professional results without the hassle. Our pH-balanced formula mixes quickly and cleanly, ensuring no clogs or residue in your systems. This versatile formula supports all plants, from leafy greens to flowering plants and houseplants. Use it across your entire garden for consistent, visible results. What we like. This product offers a full-spectrum formula with essential nutrients for steady development and vibrant blooms. Its easy two-part system simplifies your feeding routine, requiring no complex schedules. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable nutrient solution for consistent plant health across various grow setups, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is my third year using Fox Farm Big Bloom and Tiger Bloom and my plants have never looked better. I have been using Fox Farm soil and nutrients for years and have always had great results. I have been using Fox Farm products for a while now and I am very impressed with the quality and effectiveness of their nutrients. Number 4. Humboldt's Secret Sweet and Sticky Plant Energy Additive. Introducing Sweet and Sticky, the ultimate carbohydrate and saccharide additive designed to enhance your plant's growth and aroma. This powerful formula is perfect for both indoor and outdoor cultivation. Our unique blend provides a vital carbohydrate boost to support root zone vitality. This helps your plants absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to stronger root development and a healthier foundation. This fast-acting liquid energizes your plants during crucial growth stages. Its saccharide blend fuels plant metabolism, promoting faster growth and resilience through veg, bloom, and flowering. Experience enhanced flavor, aroma, and essential oil production. Use it during the flowering phase to maximize bud development and improve the overall sensory profile of your plants. Whether you're growing on a windowsill or in a backyard plot, it supports consistent performance. This dependable liquid provides the same energy-boosting benefits for all your plants. It is fully compatible with all Humboldt secret nutrients, rounding out your feed schedule. It ensures steady performance from seedling to harvest, in hydro, cocoa, or soil, indoors or outdoors. What we like. This additive delivers a powerful carbohydrate boost to support root zone vitality and enhance nutrient absorption. It energizes plants during key growth phases, promoting faster growth and resilience. If you want to maximize bud development, boost crop quality, and improve the overall sensory profile of your plants, especially during the flowering stage, consider this product. What people say. The one I used correctly with this product turned out better than the other crops. Just like it says sweet and sticky. I got some nice long 10 ml pipettes and so far so good. I rubber band M to the bottle. If it happens again, I'll get a hold of the manufacturer and see what is going on. Number 3. GS Plant Foods Humic Acid Soil Amendment, 1 gallon. Discover the power of humic acid to transform your soil. This liquid concentrate is derived from premium leonardite for optimal results. Improve the very foundation of your garden. It works to create a better soil structure, allowing roots to thrive. Ensure your plants get the most from every feeding. This amendment helps make essential nutrients more available for uptake. Grow with confidence, knowing it's OMRI listed. It's approved for use in organic gardening practices. This 1-gallon container holds a potent, liquid concentrate. A little goes a long way to enrich your soil. What we like. This amendment is derived from leonardite and is OMRI listed for organic use, making it a great choice for organic growers. It focuses on improving soil structure and enhancing nutrient availability for your plants. If you are looking to build healthier soil and ensure your plants can access nutrients more effectively, especially in organic gardening systems, this is the product for you. What people say. It improves the availability of micronutrients in the soil, allowing roots to absorb them more efficiently. It enhances soil texture by promoting better aeration and water retention. It feeds microbes that help plants grow naturally. Number 2. Humboldt's Secret Starter Kit Pack. Introducing the Humboldt's Secret Starter Kit, your all-in-one solution for plant nutrition. This comprehensive system provides everything you need to support your plants from the very beginning all the way to harvest. Achieve robust and consistent growth with our balanced liquid formula. It's designed to strengthen roots, support plant structure, and promote faster, more stable development. Our versatile nutrients are perfect for any growing environment, whether you're using hydroponics, soil, or coco coir. They mix easily and perform reliably, giving you flexibility for indoor or outdoor grows. Simplify your indoor gardening with this effective plant food. It supports vibrant color and leaf strength with minimal effort, making it ideal for houseplants, herbs, and flowers. This fertilizer seamlessly integrates into your routine, providing consistent nutrition during both vegetative and flowering stages. It helps maintain long-term plant strength and balance without added complexity. Please note that packaging may vary during our transition period. Rest assured, the formula and performance remain the same, delivering the quality you expect. What we like. This starter kit provides a complete nutrition solution from seedling to harvest, including 6 essential products. It's designed for versatility, working across hydro systems, potting soil, and coco coir. If you're just starting out or looking to streamline your entire feeding routine with a comprehensive and easy-to-use system, this kit offers everything you need for vigorous, full-cycle plant development. What people say. This is high-quality stuff, my plants love it and the early season data looked really good. This helps me manage the large number of plants that I need to feed during the summer with a little less effort, so this works for me perfectly. Plant health and growth worked excellent, producing nice crops. Number 1. GS Plant Foods Bud Doublin, 3-pack. Introducing Bud Doublin, a premium organic nutrient system designed to nourish your plants. It provides essential elements for robust growth and development. The Grow formula is perfect for the early vegetative stage. It's crafted from organic fish hydrolysate and kelp to support vigorous root development. As your plants mature, switch to the Bloom formula. This blend of organic ingredients supports the critical flowering and fruiting stages for a bountiful harvest. Micros ensures your plants receive vital secondary and micronutrients. Humic and fulvic acids are included to maximize nutrient absorption at every stage. Using our system is incredibly easy. Simply follow the growth chart or mix 1 ounce per gallon of water for optimal results. Our 3-part system is made from 100% organic ingredients, free from synthetic additives. Grow healthy plants safely, even around pets and children. What we like. This 3-part organic system is formulated from 100% organic ingredients, including fish hydrolysate, kelp, and beneficial soil biology. It provides tailored nutrition for vegetative, blooming, and micronutrient needs throughout all plant growth stages. If you prioritize organic ingredients and want a comprehensive, easy-to-follow feeding schedule that supports optimal root development and nutrient uptake, this system is ideal. What people say. Both types responded well to the mixtures, grew fast and produced fat, dense buds. Over 4-ounce plant. Extremely pungent and very sticky with lots of hairs. Buds have swelled up beautifully. My plants love this food and have grown way past what I had expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.